Hello YouTube and welcome to Silent Code Dev. Welcome to day 53 of becoming a front-end developer from zero. And yeah, if you have been following my past videos, you know that I've been struggling with this project. I think it's a tad bit too advanced for me. And but I knew it right before I started. I knew I was gonna do because there's a lot of things that I need to do. I mean, I was able to do a little bit, right? But it's like, but I feel once I finish this project, I'm gonna go to an easier project, right? I should start with an easier JavaScript project, and that was gonna be more fun because I learned a lot from this. Even though I made mistakes, and you guys see the videos I upload, it's not easy. So right now I'm just playing around, and so far we have like yeah, it's kind of messy, the UI, don't mind it, but we have it kind of working, all right, it's not perfect, but yeah. So we need to get the because I said like, yeah, I need to add like add event listener, so it's gonna listen to or it's gonna pay attention to the window, the viewport width. When it reaches a certain width, it's going to show the cards. But I'm gonna do that later, right? Right now we need to focus. So today I was thinking of like, because as you guys can see, when I do increase, it works. It doesn't go here, but when I click like 0, right, I want the item to be removed. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna try to figure that out. What I'm gonna do here, and I know, so it's like, okay, when I click this decrement button, it should be removed, right? So what I'm thinking of is I also removed like something here because it wasn't working. So I'm thinking of doing something here, right? Because yeah, if we click the decrement button, we want to, of course, want to do that. If it's 0, we also want to do something. We want to let's get the const item equals, because we need to get the li, right? So the cart item is your cart. That's the name of the, yeah, that's the ul, right? So ucart query selector on li, and we're gonna say cart for each cart. We want to const product name. So we want, I'm thinking of like getting the name of the product that we're clicking, and then we're going to check if product name is the same as the product name. I mean, not product name, but same as the name of product, right? Because we are getting it here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do cart h2, something like that. So if, I don't know if we're gonna do it in here. We need to do it here. All right, so we're gonna do if product name equals name of product. We want to remove the cart. And I don't know if we need to return, like exit, or it's gonna do it itself. Okay, that didn't work. I feel like we have like a typo, something like that. Yeah, it is an H2. Yeah, remove the node, right? But it's not removing it. No. I don't know, guys. Let's see. Yeah, it's like, because I think we need to exit something, we need to exit the, so I don't know if we need to do that here. Yeah, it's not doing anything. So it's the same, right? It's not gonna do anything. Oh, this is H3. Oh my god. Could be something like that. Let's see. Because name of product is, why am I saying it's H2 when, so we need to see like your cards, or I can just change it myself. H2. Yeah, so it's name of product. So okay. Still not working. So yeah. Okay, let's console log car product name. Let's see. Console log, because that's how you kind of debug. if I click this, I'm getting this. So I'm getting the entire thing. I just want the text content. Wow. Oh my god. Are you fuck? Okay, guys. What the fuck? Okay, yeah. This is what I'm telling you guys. This is like the frustration. I mean, it's a good thing that because I was about to like give up, but I was like, because I suck at debugging, because I always feel like it's not something that I should do. Not that I should do it, but I just like, I think that it's not useful, because it takes time, and it's like I'm not gonna get it anyways. But I just thought like, let me just console log it so I actually see what I'm getting, right? And I saw like I'm getting the entire like element, the div element, and I'm like, no, but I'm trying to get the text only, because that's the only way it can match here, right? I'm telling you guys, JavaScript is logic, and if you're tired or anything, you make a mistake, unless you debug and stuff. So yeah. Okay guys, that's it. Again, short video, but we managed to work on that, right? So now it's kind of, so now we need to kind of know how to why is this not working? Yeah, we need to like update this, and I think that's a bit more harder, because we need to, because I know like the DOM is not what we should use. We should use something like object or something. Like we need to store the values in JavaScript, and we need to do that. So I need to see how I'm gonna do that, because I have no idea. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and before I leave, I just want to say, like, if you are going through the same thing as me, you're trying to code, you're trying to become a developer, but you don't have much time, this is why I'm here, right? I can relate to you, and I am in the same situation right now. If you're watching this video and you look at my channel and I stopped uploading, then you know I failed. Because unless I tell you guys that I stopped, right? If I just go ghost, then you know, right? I've never done anything like this before, because I know I told you guys, every time I code, I always stopped whenever my life got hectic, right? Whenever stuff happened in my life. Right now, it's so much happening right now. Of course, when the moment I decide to be, and that's just life, right? The moment I decide to be consistent and upload every single day, that's when life hits me with like punches, left, right, up, down, center. I'm getting beat up by life, and I know it doesn't look like it because I'm fighting, but if only you guys knew. So yeah, I share this because I just want you guys to know that this is, I'm trying to reach to those that are trying to code and learn this, that especially if you have a very busy schedule and stuff like that, yeah, this takes time, right? You need to have some time to do this. If you don't have that, like for example, right now I do have time to code, but right now in this month I have too much going on, right? So I try to do the bare minimum, which is to show up, look at some code, and click, right, and upload these videos. And I'm hoping to, get to a point in my life where I'll have time again, to do this. And yeah, so that's it, guys. Shit is not easy, but if you're in the game, you can't complain, right? If you're in the game, you can't complain. So you gotta do whatever you gotta do to make things work. So that's it, guys. I'm just letting it all out today. Today is the last day of my second job, which is gonna be the hardest day, roughest day. So yeah. If you're watching this part, just hit the like and please leave a comment as well. I have big plans for this channel. Like I have a lot of plans that I want to do. Eventually I want to, as time goes by, I want to scale out. Like I want to open a Discord or something like that to connect with you guys, because I know a lot of you guys could need to talk with someone that's like doing this every day, right? So yeah guys, that's it. That was a little rant. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and peace.